Hello there, Boustead B300 talent. If you are wondering what this video is all about, do stay tuned because it's going to be sharing with you information specifically about talent assignment plan, or in short, we call it TAP. I'm sure by now, most of us have started to receive our beep beep messages inviting us to be either project champion or project talent towards the various initiatives within the Reinventing Boustead agenda. You must be wondering, how am I being selected in this project? What are my roles? And also, how am I being assessed for the various contributions that I make within this initiative? Basically, this video is all about that, to answer those questions. So stay tuned, yeah? It's an initiative to provide talent with experiential learning via project assignment. It's part of talent development journey for all the talents that we have within Boustead Group. If you're wondering how you are being selected, well, the selection criteria is based on diversity. First, we look at preference. What it means by preference is, if you could recall, a few months ago, after the talent engagement event hosted by our group MD, there was a survey rolled out for us to indicate our preference towards certain project. So based on that result, we select your preference. We also look at job leveling. We also look at both gender, male and female, to make sure the project is well represented. We also consider the various age group or generation. Then we also look at the representation of the various companies within Boustead Group. We also look into ethnicity background and knowledge. What we mean by knowledge is by looking at the position that you're holding to gauge your function and your expertise. Now that you have got some understanding of how the team is being selected, let's zoom into the roles. Yeah. Within TAP, there are three parties involved. Project sponsor, whose role is basically to make sure that the project is managed well. And we also have project champions and project talents. For some of us who have been identified as project champions, you are expected first to brief the project champion about the role, about the project itself, so that everybody within the team understand what is this project about. And then once everybody understand, then as project champion, you are expected to start assigning tasks to the project talents, because there are many tasks and milestones that we need to achieve and we cannot do it alone. This is where we need to get help from our project talent. In monitoring those tasks and the milestones, we use an app called Asana. As project champions also, obviously, we are expected to manage the project. And because there are many team members within our team, don't forget to know your talents, yeah? In a few months down the road, group talent and the person in charge of talent from the local companies will be reaching out to you to understand the contribution of the various project talents within your team. Now, I hope I have explained the role of project champion. Now, let's go to the expectation of being project talents. As project talents, one of the expected is to learn new skills. Some of you came to group talent indicating that you selected certain project because you want to learn something new. And this is the opportunity for you to explore that new skills. And when your project champion has given you the project task, please complete and perform the task to the best of your ability. Because you come from various backgrounds, your expertise matters when it comes to giving the project values so that the project considers various aspects of it. And because there are many of us within the project talents, don't forget to mingle around and network with other talents. Get to know them better, get to know their industry, get to know the company and the culture, so that it enriched you as a talent within Boustead Group. Now, I hope you are all clear now about the roles as project champion and project talents. While you, as project champion or talents, carry out the role, and the local company person in charge also embarked into a talent engagement journey we call Talent Reach Out and Connect, or in short, we call TRAC. This is where we will reach out to the various stakeholders involved in the initiatives. There will be Leaders Track, where the talent team will be reaching out to your leaders. There'll be Champions Track. This is where the talent team will be reaching out to the various champions to understand the contribution of the various talents. We'll be also definitely reaching out to the talents because we will do the pulse check to see how you are doing. We'll also be doing stay interview to understand what makes you stay within this organization. We'll also be interacting and connecting to your supervisor via the supervisor track to understand your function and to understand your potential better. For the PIC, for the talent PIC within your local company, we'll be engaging yourself to align on what programs will embark for all our talents within our organization. Right. So now, that's the introduction about TAP, and I hope you have got some ideas about TAP and you understand your role as either project champion or project talents. For more news about talent, don't forget to go to Beep Beep under Talent News. And if you need help, and don't forget to reach out to Group Talent for any assistance and advice. On behalf of Group Human Capital, thank you for your attention and good luck.